Occupying 1/5 of the Earth's surface, the desert is defined by water, both presence and absence. Long-lasting droughts and soaring temperatures make water's presence and quickly subsequent absence a defining feature of life and landscape here. The fleeting moments when water flows over wind-smooth rocks and parched soil form lasting scars on the landscape, from small sinuous rills to great gullies and canyons. Across the globe, deserts react uniquely with light. The scars of hydro and aeroactivity creating a play of light and shadow across the landscape. From macro to human to landscape to global scales. This is the desert. Carrying vital nutrients from the ancient lake beds of Africa, sand from the Sahara makes a global journey across the Atlantic to the lungs of the earth. Winds move entire landscapes, sculpting dunes at a pace perceived only with great patience. The ephemeral qualities of luminescence at sunrise and sunset bring an incomparable intensity to arid landscape. In the desert, rain has an extraordinary effect, moving quickly over swaths of hydrophobic, dry soils, collecting in temporary streams and lakes, drawing out previously unseen colors. Desert specialists from all kingdoms are quick to take advantage of the rain, bringing about a plethora of textures and colors. Battling the unmitigated ferocity of the sun, gnarled trees and scrubby bushes carve out sculptural forms of light and shade against the red earth. Animal life here often relies on mimicry to survive. Muted tones and imitated textures ensure they blend in. Insect life also leaves their trace. A careful eye notices a brief ripple or reflection from the sun on their wings. In some cases, these inhabitants of the desert leave temporary traces only on the ground plane. In others, the very structures they build will form a lasting architecture. At the microscopic level, we see the endless sands of the desert consist of a myriad of tiny particles eroded over geologic time spans. Variations in color and tone combine to create shifting surfaces. From the smallest grain of sand to the furthest stars in the night sky, the desert landscape is a spectacle of unique colors and textures rendered in light, with the power to inspire. How do you think the unique qualities of the desert can best be captured and communicated in art and in architecture?